At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the Independent Commission of Investigations, which is INDICOM, is appealing for witnesses in relation to an incident where an off-duty policeman is accused of fatally shooting a man. Dead is 40-year-old Jermaine Richards, an employee of Ribby's Ultra Lounge. The incident occurred on January 23 in the Arden Emirates Plaza on Arden Road, Kingston 10. A woman who says she is the sister of the deceased alleges that her brother was recording the policeman action before he was shot. My wisdom warriors, una hear what go on from what a go on? Una hear what go on? This is why, me no know. This is why these police have to wear body cam. Stick up in. Them said the policeman will shoot him. Will shoot this guy is a off-duty police. That means say him not on duty. He is not on duty. So why him go and kill the youth? Why did he do that? A whole heap of innocent youth a get dead, A whole heap of innocent youth a get dead. Me say the labor right them come out and them a defend. You say una labor right? All when una get it under una skin, una still a come through because una want Andrew Wellness look good. Let me tell you now. The crime is worse than ever before. Everybody know that. And this a government here cannot control the crime because they don't have a crime plan. They don't have a crime plan. My wisdom warriors. And this is why you see innocent people is dying. This is why police kick off people door and do as them like and get away with it. Police shoot up place, get away with it. You see uno? You see uno? Mighty God. And me like how INDICOM, depend this, Me like how INDICOM depend this. But you see, Horace Chang and Andrew Wellness, they're nothing but a set of corruption. Wanna hear me? They're nothing but a set of corruption. Them want the people them dead, Yes, them want the people dead because if we are the citizen and we have to make the police them wear body cam and una say no, what that mean? What that mean? That means I don't want the people them dead because una can't go on like say una police now kill innocent people and una well know say the police them a kill innocent people and it need to stop. It need to stop. Too much is happening, man. Too much. See Peter Bunting come out other day and say residents are complaining how the police them a bully them. Why? We in a big trouble, We in a big trouble. An attempt was made to firebomb the St. Catherine Parish Court in Spanish Town on Friday morning. Radio Jamaica News was informed that staff found fragments of Molotov cocktails which were reportedly thrown through windows of the court building and outside of the office. Hello, una hear them as something here? Una hear them as something here, my people? Firebomb attempt at St. Catherine Parish Court. Listen to me. You see the documents them what una have, yeah, with Andrew Wellness and in Teefness, I beg una remove it. Remove it and put it somewhere safe because me no want hear say courthouse burn down and then all documents burn up. Me no inna that. Remember, we have Donnelly Donaldson, also Noel Maitland. Court case is in April. All of the documents wanna have me, I beg una remove it and put it somewhere safe. Mighty God of Daniel, because this not sound good. How after sudden all this happen, firebomb attempt at St. Catherine Parish Court, I want really a galang. What is really going on? I wonder if this real. I wonder because them say firebomb attempt. I wonder if this real, my wisdom warriors. I only wonder, we can't wonder, because they see them are people here. We can't put nothing past them, We cannot put nothing past them. You understand? So all our lawyers out there, wanna make sure say wanna remove all documents from the court, because if them a attempt for firebomb, no sir. Something alright, my wisdom warriors. Something in a something. Anyway, hear this. The ruling Jamaica Labour Party is to decide on an application by Member of Parliament George Wright to rejoin the party he resigned from more than 3 years ago under a cloud of suspicion. You hear them? Under a cloud of suspicion. You hear them something here? This a man here, a woman beater, you know. This a man here was a MP and he's a woman beater. And a them here stings here, the Jamaica Labour Party support, woman beaters. Remember say other day we hear Juliet only stand up, and talk about how she empower women. Lie she a tell. Lie. You empower man. You empower man for beat woman. That is what you do, because this clearly shows it. My wisdom warriors, this clearly shows it. This man is a woman beater. You remember when they run out other day down at Westmoreland, you want to see the woman them, it look like I pay them, You want to see them come out, say they want back the woman beater. So me I say, no sir, this not right. I must pay them people there. From me see them come out, me say, they want him back. Not the people them at Westmoreland, because the people them at Westmoreland don't want him back. Andrew Wellness want him back, not the people. But you see, God work in mysterious ways, God work in mysterious ways. Make them take him back. Make them take him back, my wisdom. Lord, them a try to do everything. The people them at Westmoreland don't like this man here. You hear me? The people them at Westmoreland do not like this man here. Because this man here a woman beater and more. You hear me? The people they not like him. So I don't know where them a come about, how them a go bring him back. We already know, so I want to take him back already. This is just the little trick, to come out and say how we fill out application. I want to take him back already, because the Labour right, them don't have it all over TikTok. Say he's a candidate. You understand me, my people? And them a type of people here, them support. Woman beater. Yeah, woman beater, them support. But them can do what they want to do. You understand? Just for sure how them corrupt, Just to show you that there's no good governance in the party. But as I said, God work in mysterious ways. Me even see all Michelle Charles. The people them don't want Michelle Charles, But Andrew Wellness want her. All the next man from down at Westmoreland, Moreland Wilson. The people they don't want him either. The people they don't want him. But make them stay, my wisdom warriors, with them corrupted party. Make them stay with them corruption, because everybody can clearly see there's no good governance in the party. As I said earlier, Juliet Holness come out and talk how she empower women. How you empower women when that same man, George Wright, is a woman beater? Everybody see it and not hide. It was on video. Yes, it was on video. And them your support, man beater. You not empower no woman. Stop chat them the nonsense there. Stop chat them the nonsense there. You know, say only Jamaica alone do them kind of something here. The Jamaica Labour Party is the most corrupted party in the Caribbean. The Jamaica Labour Party is the most corrupted party in the Caribbean. And when me talk with water in my mouth. Everybody can see that. Everybody can see that. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
Came to power in 2016. And by 2017, they brought a bill to Parliament saying they want to deal with corruption. It happens that that bill was really the work of Mark Golding in 2012.
Listen to this.
And all the government did was to adopt it. And proof of that is found in the Memorandum of Objects and Reason for that bill, where it says the cognizance of the foregoing in cognizance of the foregoing, in May 2012, an advisory committee was appointed by Minister of Justice, acting on the direction of the cabinet. So in that bill, they are admitting that Mark Golding was the architect of the Integrity Commission legislation, because the country knows that we suffer from corruption. The polls are saying 65% of our population believes that corruption has gotten worse in the last 5 years. 65%. That is to say, 2 out of every 3 Jamaicans believe that under the Andrew Holness government, corruption has gotten worse. Let that sink in. After all, 8 parliamentarians are under investigation for illicit enrichment, and that includes the Prime Minister. Several ministers of government are to resign or be removed because of corruption allegations. Corruption is depriving our people of a better life. It's depriving them of beds in the hospital. It's depriving them of proper school facilities. It's depriving them of good road to drive on.
Una hear the things that we're talking about tonight.
Corruption is a scourge.
Things that Tufton and Andrea try to hide.
No wonder that the prayer breakfast Mark Golding said, God bless the Integrity Commission. Mr. President, Senator Langmore, when she spoke, put up a slide. I think it was the first slide. And she said, we need the public health sector to be more efficient. Wasn't the first one? But one of the slides that talk about Asia and the need for efficiency in the public sector. Correct. I agree with you. The resources we have now
listen this.
do better. And let me share with you, Mr. President, and share with the country through the Senate that we are wasting resources.
Listen this.
Just recently, a little bird fly by my window and left a package. It says to me that the Bustamante Children's Hospital.
Listen to this.
Recently purchased a neuro drill. A drill needed in surgery by neurosurgeons. And the price we are told that the government of Jamaica
listen,
paid
Andrew and Christopher
for that
Tufton Wiki.
drill. Find the slide, the picture. The picture of the drill. Yeah. The government of Jamaica, through Bustamante Children's Hospital, paid 27 million Jamaican dollars for that drill.
Overspend, you know?
Let me go right.
Listen this.
$27 million paid for that drill. When you check on the internet, it's not a Black and Decker. That drill can be had for $32,000 US. I have seen invoice where that said drill was purchased in China at under $14,000 US. President, if I bump up the price of that drill to 50, not 32,
listen
not
this.
14,000 US, to 50,000, and multiply that by 160 Jamaican dollars to 1. That's 8 million. We are paying 27 million.
million.
Price of 3
Drill.
such drill for at Bustamante children.
Then can buy 3, you know.
We need to
And they
know.
use the money by 1.
We need to
Listen
know
this.
who got that contract.
Christopher Tufton.
And of course, President,
Christopher
the
Tufton.
bird did leave the contractor in the package. $27 million for a drill at Bustamante for neurosurgery. That
So them buy it for 8 and then
the
split the
ice price
change.
is 8 million Jamaican.
Them buy it
We
for
go
8
further,
and then
President.
split the change and say them buy it for 27.
When you look at that 27 million and you divide it by 160 Jamaican dollars, that drill was sold at the equivalent of $170,000 US to the government of Jamaica. And you tell me about efficiency?
Andrew, you say,
You
hey,
tell me about red carpet for the whole library?
when you saw the man wicked,
That could have buy 3 drills. And if you buy from the people who building the children's hospital in Montego Bay, yes, you could have buy probably 10 or more of such drills. Something wrong. Something wrong. And I'm calling on the Integrity Commission to investigate that purchase and whether Jamaica got value for money. And Senator Langmore, you have not risen a point of order. You hear the same thing I hear. You hear the same thing I hear. President, it's all right. I'm fine. I'm fine if you say it's erroneous. I'm fine with that. President, I want to say something that she will say is erroneous too. That at Bustamante Hospital for Children,
Listen
that
this.
is paying $27 million for something that at the most could cost $8 million. There is no microscope to carry out pediatric neurosurgery.
no, here.
There is no microscope
Andrew and Christopher
to carry
Tufton
out
forgot prison.
pediatric neurosurgery.
They have a bar from
There's a case recently in the media. So I'm not going there because I don't want Senator Fitzgerald to jump up and point of order. But what I am told is that much of the tumors that our children face is in the back of the head. And that microscope would help the neurosurgeons to find all the tumor. The absence of that microscope is telling.
Corruption and all back Jamaica, I'm telling you now.
We're spending 27 million to buy a drill from a friend of the political boss.
A friend of Christopher Tufton and bridging him by from and he split the money.
Yet, Bustamante,
drunk as
the
shit
only
back
children's hospital in the country, have no CT scan.
No, waste taxpayer money. I tell us that they need to get the
If
girls.
my granddaughter,
Girls them for
our
go.
grandson, or
feel
your
like a
grandson, or your granddaughter, or the children of our people get sick and has to be rushed to Buster, they have to be moved to somewhere like KPH to do a RUE, to do a CT scan. That time of movement is valuable. It's the difference between life and death. Senator Langmore, it's not the money. It's how we look after our friends. $27 million
We can
for
get it for
drill.
8. And the rest
that
of
we
money
could
buy some
pay.
different things.
8 million or less for. And I call again on the Integrity Commission to investigate.
Of course.
I know they're going to tell me, oh, we follow the procurement rules, but the Jamaican taxpayers get value for money. And so, Mr. President, why are we paying $170,000 for what we could pay between 14 and 50,000 US for? It's not right.
Can't right.
And if Damian Crawford was here, he would say, what can go so?
So my wisdom warriors, this is typical corruption. Wanna hear what Mr. Lambert say? Wanna hear what he said? Me tell you about Andrew. Me tell you my people about Andrew Holness. Wanna think say Andrew Holness are this nice guy because he in a jacket, suit and Clark shoes. Andrew Holness is living a lie. Andrew Holness say is living a lie. This man is so corrupted. There's no good governance in the Jamaica Labour Party. And then Teef and then wicked. All Christopher Tufton. All you Christopher Tufton. Blows and skirt, my people. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You see, me always telling you, who remember? When me always come out and say, if Andrew Holness them say, them allocate 30 billion, just make sure say a 1 billion, them allocate and not 30. Them take a rest for themselves. Boy, me I tell you no. Uno tell me what you think, yeah, man, in the comment section. And me I go catch Uno in the next video. Like and share out this video, my people. Subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Blessings upon blessings. One love.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what on?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? Is that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
I know say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Let the trumpets play.